YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here, and it's been a while, I know, since we last chatted here. I'm always a bit it's always a bit challenging for me to come here and do the audio recording, which is like the part I don't really enjoy that much, but I'm gonna do it today because I thought it's important to talk to you guys. But yes, anyway, today I'm trying the Deco brush metallic markers by Karin Markers. They are one of my favorites. You know that already if you follow me on Instagram and see how I use them. So if you have not seen any of those videos, you have to see them. So I will link my Instagram below, and you can already see many videos using them. But here I wanted to show as well to my YouTube viewers, and I wanted to just go up and close each and every color and do some lettering on black paper with these beautiful metallic markers. So I'm gonna start with all the alphabets, and here is the first color, that's metallic silver. It's so beautiful. And the second one here is metallic gold, and I'm shaking all the markers nicely so that I have all the nice pigment out of the pens. I think it's the best practice to shake them, especially on metallic markers, to have the best result. And so this was the metallic gold, and the third one I'm gonna use is metallic red gold. I love this color. We will be making a project with this color, and this is a new to my collection, and I just love this color. So, and the fourth color I'm using is metallic copper. It's again very pretty. All colors in the box are very unique and very vibrant metallics, which is unlike any other metallic markers that I've used. And they're so pigmented, they're so juicy, they're so fun to work with. And now the next marker I'm using is metallic light green, which is again a very beautiful color. Next up is metallic green. The previous one was metallic light green, so this is a darker green I'm using here. And after that it's metallic violet. This is a very pretty color as well. After metallic violet we have metallic blue. And that's beautiful again. And then we have last two colors. This one is metallic pink. Gorgeous. And the last one I have is metallic black. Metallic black is very unique color. I think it works better on a lighter surface, but you can actually see them on black as well as they dry. It's a very like a muted silver, so it's very beautiful and a unique color. So I'm going to repeat all the colors again. These were all the colors in the box, and I'm just going to complete my alphabets, and then we will start with our project. So let's start with making this beautiful hand lettering piece, and it's pretty simple, you will see. And I'm just gonna start by hand lettering the letter love. I'm using only one uppercase letter, L, and the others are all lowercase, which I made previously. You can refer to that if that helps. And I always start by sketching out my letters. It's always better to do that, to know where your letters are gonna fall, and if you're working around your letters, you know how much space you need. So it's always good to start with sketching it out. And now I'm starting with my first letter using the pen metallic red gold. Next, I will be using a white gel pen. You can use any gel pen that you have in hand. Here I'm using Sakura Deco. I just love this gel pen. I have not come across anything that works better than this for me. So you can try and see, maybe you will have the same opinion. But in my opinion, this is the best white gel pen that I own. So I've just started with making, I just started by making some stems, and then I am just touching the tip of my pen to make some leaves. If you follow me from some time here as well, I already made a wreath using the same technique a few months back, and it's very simple and easy and very neat, I think. And you just have to push from the tip and push the pen towards you, and it gives a very nice and neat leaf like that. So I'm going to keep repeating that till I have the amount of leaves I want around my letter. So yes, I'm repeating the same process here. So I think those are all the leaves that I want to add. Next, I'm just making some more lines around my leaves wherever I think there is an empty space, and I'm just making a line and putting some dots on it, and that's what I will be doing around all the leaves here. So that was simple, right? As I told in the beginning of the video, it's gonna be a very simple project. So I hope you had fun enjoying this, and this was pretty simple. Just some letters and some very simple leaves, some dots, and I'm not gonna do much here. I'm just adding more dots and finishing it up. And you can follow along, and if you plan to recreate, please share it with me. I will be very happy to see your creations. You can tag me on Instagram or anywhere that you are. I will be really happy to see your creations. So yes guys, this was all for today. I just wanted to show you these lovely markers up and close, which I really love, and I highly recommend if you want to invest in metallic markers. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. And also tell me in the comments what would you like to see next, or any creations that you would like me to make here. I will be very happy to show you some more fun projects. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.